These are the days where Boynton turns into a real mess. We've got 2 closed docks, an absolute crazy line of people trying to get their boats pulled out of the water here today. I mean, with the 2 closed docks, it really adds a different complexity to this because people dock on the closed docks but then have to try and unload from an open dock or load from an open dock, which leads into all kinds of people arguing over who's where and who should be doing what. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel, and today, if you can't tell, we are visiting Boynton Beach. So, like, right here's where we're going to see one of those situations. I mean, the Sea Fox is going to try and pull in on this dock, but there's like 5 vessels on docks that have no way to access a ramp. And there's a line of trucks up here, so these guys are going to pull in, but unless they're going to do a dump and go, and go ahead and dump somebody on the dock and pull out, the trucks that are up here ready to load already aren't going to be able to do anything. So this lady's telling the Sea Fox that her husband's coming down. The Invincible behind him's like, "What are you doing, bro? Take that dock." And now Wifey on the dock is getting into it with these guys. This is going to get interesting. Wifey is PO'd that they are going to take this dock, but the reality is the truck that's backing down the ramp's not her truck either, so she's not even next in line. Oh man, this is going to get out of hand, I guarantee it. The Invincible does the wise thing, does a dump and go to try and get in line, but if you can't tell, the police are actually over here with our lady on the dock on the right now, as they've already anticipated this one's going to go sideways. And now our girl's fighting with the people who are loading the boat. So I think there's some confusion going on down here about who was all arguing, but they all appear to be arguing now. And once again, the police are down there and she's still going at it. Even with the police right next to her, she is still laying into this couple on the boat. Well, not this couple, the whole crew. crew on the Invincible's patiently waiting, and they're probably, I mean, they did a dump and go. They've got their guy going to get the trailer, so I'm assuming they won't even need to touch a dock at this point in time. And it appears for the moment things have calmed down a little bit. I still didn't see the full actions of what happened to cause her to get into it with the boat that's loading. I mean, the boat that's loading, kind of in the right, their truck's in the water. So, I mean, they have every access and right to that ramp at that point in time. The truck didn't skip anybody else that I saw. And now somebody's instigating again. Here we go, though. They're going to try and get pulled out. And here we go. As they're pulling away, starting a fight. And things have really escalated now as everybody's over here beside the boat. The cops are involved. And I'm just hoping we don't see any actual punches thrown here. The girl beside the boat here is completely instigating right now, telling somebody to get off the boat.
I want to see myself on YouTube.
So the officers are doing everything they can to try and get this one under control right now. I don't know why this truck's still sitting here on the ramp, though. Get in your vehicle and go, guys. I mean, be the bigger person at some point, I guess, and get out of here. But the cops are doing what they can. They're trying to get everybody separated and back to their spots. And here we go. Our truck's finally going to get out of here. And fortunately, it looks like it's going to be de-escalated before anything too crazy happens. But man, tempers are just going off here at Boynton today, that's for sure. But they're getting out of here, and we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of crazy things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.